Oh, that's the one. Release, buttons, make repairs. Oh, this isn't claustrophobic at all.
Welcome to Vet Repair. Fazbear Entertainment prides itself on having the most comfortable facilities. Each facility is set to a perfect 72 degrees all the time. The 4 active indicator lights mean we have a well-functioning ventilation system. Your headlamp should protect you from any critters who may have stumbled into the ducts. As a certified vet technician, you should need no instruction. However, in case of an emergency, it is important to remember that as the vet technician, you should never, under any circumstances, attempt to...
Cool. Oh my god. Okay. Hey you. What are you doing over there? Now what? I see you over there, you fuck face. Rick Paul, eh? Where are you? Foxy, wait. Okay, do I go in there? How? Ooh. You watch it. You quit it. You quit. Oh my god, no. Buttons. Buttons. Oh. Oh my sweet Lord, help me Lord today, baby Jesus. No? Okay. What's the right pattern? Stop it! Some clue would be nice. Okay. Oh, I see the clue. Go down there. Okay, blue, red, Yes. Oh my god.
A perfect 72 degrees. Good job. See you next time.
Yep. See you later. Oh, that's getting bullshit, buddy.